Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a tea spell to bring more love into your life. I have done a tea spell in the past for self-love, and you can certainly use this for self-love too, but this is more to bring more love into your life from the people around you. But before we dive into that, I'm Sandra from Mystery Witch School, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. And if you want to walk the path of the witch, or you just want to know more about what witches do, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to start your witchcraft practice and you don't know where to start and you're trying to figure it out from all of the books, download my free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. Today we're doing a tea spell to bring more love into your life. This love can be romantic love, it can be love, family love, it can be love from friends, it can be love even in your work environment. It's a way of spreading the love actually, because what you're doing is you're vowing to spread more love into the world as well as receiving the love that you are putting out in the world. So it's a give and take type of spell. This is the beginning of 2022 as I do this video, and definitely the world needs more love right now. So if everybody did this tea spell every day, even if it was just for a month, the world would be a very different place because of that give and take energy. So all you need for this spell is herbs that resonate with love. So that could be rose, jasmine, cinnamon for passion if you're wanting that extra bit of fire in there, and cloves. So this is a tea blend that has a combination of all of those herbs. Do your spell preferably in the morning. So this could be when you wake up in the morning or for a morning tea. You want to get into that energy of beginnings, and that's the best energy of the day. If you're starting the spell, do it on a Friday, the day of Venus, the love goddess, and just enjoy that energy of love as you're doing your spell. So it's pretty easy to do, pretty easy to prepare. All you need is a teapot or a diffuser if you're just doing it for a cup to put it in, and your herbs. As you prepare, focus on the feelings of love, that warm feeling, that expansive feeling. Focusing on real love, like what love really does mean to you, not just, the romantic love that we see in the movies, but what love really is about. Because it's a very powerful energy and you can do a lot with it. You can change the world with it. So it's a very powerful energy. If you want to focus on your heart chakra as you're doing this to open the heart chakra, you can do that at the same time. This tea will definitely help open the heart chakra if you do it regularly. You can do this spell too with any beverage. It doesn't necessarily have to be tea. But if you want to really get into the energy of it, the more you can put into it that corresponds with the energy of love, the better it will be. So let's do the spell. Just place your herbs in your teapot. I've already got some herbs in this teapot, and the hot water as well, so it is ready to go. When you put your herbs out and you're about to put them in your teapot, just focus on the feelings of love and mention the name of the herbs. So herb of jasmine, rose, cinnamon and clove. Together you bring love into my life so that I can bring love into the life of others. What comes, goes. What comes to me, I share with the world. Then you can put your herbs into your teapot or your diffuser. Let it brew for a while. You may want to also charm your teapot or your cup with the diffuser in it. Bringing love into my life, bringing love into my life. Love comes in, love goes out. So spreading the love of the world. Let it brew. And then pour your tea. Now this is where you can use your spoon to stir, and you're going to stir your tea 3 times. If you're in the northern hemisphere, you want to do it clockwise. If you're in the southern hemisphere, you want to do it anti-clockwise because you're wanting to bring the love to you. And the spell can be something as simple as stirring 3 times 3. The love I send out comes back to me. And then drink your tea. And as you're drinking your tea, feeling the warmth of the tea, corresponding to the warmth of love, and as that tea is moving into your body, feel that energy of love expanding into your body, making your body a body of love, so that you're then going to be attracting more love back because you're radiating more love into the world. It's a beautiful little process. You can use this process for anything you're wanting to bring into your life. You can use money herbs to bring in more money and prosperity into your life, more success into your life. If you want to focus on health, then you can work with herbs that correspond to whatever your health ailment is and bring more health into your life and sharing that energy of health. It's unlimited what you can do with magic and with this type of magic. Now, if you've got any leftover tea, you can either drink it all, you can share it with other people if they are wanting also to bring love into their life. Make sure that they know that it is a love potion, so you don't want to be tricking them into drinking something they don't know what it is. So let them know that. You may want to do this with a group of people if you've got together and you want to make some change in your lives and in the world, have a tea ceremony. Or you can use the leftover tea in your bath water and have a love bath, or put it in a cup and pour it over yourself as you're having a shower. You can do a floor wash with the leftover tea, and you can also just put the leftover tea in a basin and just splash yourself with the tea. So use it in as many different ways as you feel you want to do, and let's spread the love. If you want to get better at magic and know how to be more strategic with your spells, then you can also get my free spellcaster checklist. The link to that is also in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.